Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to play Rayman Origins on PC with a controller. First, make sure your controller is properly connected to your computer before you even start the game. This initial step is crucial for the game to recognize your device. Most modern controllers, like those from Xbox or PlayStation, are plug-and-play, but always check for the latest drivers. A stable connection ensures a smooth and uninterrupted gaming experience from the very beginning. Once you are in the game, head straight to the Options menu. From there, you will find a Controls section where you can see all the default button mappings. This is where you can personalize your gameplay experience. Feel free to reassign actions like jumping, attacking, or running to buttons that feel most natural and comfortable for you. Customizing your layout can significantly improve your precision and enjoyment. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup where your controller isn't immediately recognized. A simple fix is to restart Rayman Origins with your controller already plugged in. Also, ensure no other programs are running in the background that might conflict with your controller's input. For less common controllers, exploring third-party mapping software can provide a seamless solution, allowing you to enjoy the game fully. With your controller now perfectly set up, you are ready to dive into the fantastic world of Rayman Origins. A controller offers unparalleled precision for the game's intricate platforming and fast-paced combat, truly bringing the experience to life. You will find the fluid movements and responsive actions make navigating the vibrant levels incredibly satisfying. Get ready for hours of fun, enjoying the game exactly as it was meant to be played.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.